Have you ever wondered why some creatures can create their own light in the darkness? This magical phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is one of nature's most fascinating spectacles. It's an enigma that has intrigued scientists and nature lovers alike for centuries. We find bioluminescence in the most unexpected of places, from the deepest abysses of our oceans, where sunlight can't reach, to the quiet forest floors on a moonless night. The canvas of nature is illuminated by a myriad of organisms, each with their unique glow. Think of the enchanting dance of fireflies on a summer evening, or the eerie glow of fungi on a forest floor. Imagine the mesmerizing light show put on by glowworms, or the underwater spectacle created by certain species of marine life. Each one of these creatures holds a secret, a scientific marvel that lets them light up their world. So let's delve into the captivating world of bioluminescence and understand the science behind this natural spectacle. Bioluminescence is not just a beautiful spectacle, but a fascinating scientific phenomenon. This marvel that lights up our natural world is not a mere play of colors, but a complex biological process that hinges on a delicate balance of chemical reactions. Now, let's delve into the science of this luminescent charm. The magic of bioluminescence begins with a molecule called luciferin. This is the light-emitting compound that gives bioluminescent organisms their glow. But luciferin doesn't act alone. The enzyme luciferase comes into play, facilitating the oxidation of luciferin. This chemical reaction releases energy, part of which is emitted as light. This light is not just a pretty show, it serves crucial functions in the life of a bioluminescent creature. It's their language, their weapon, their lure. For some, it's a way to communicate in the vast, dark depths of the oceans. Squid and fish, for instance, use bioluminescent signals to identify friends and confuse foes. For others, it's a cunning trap. The anglerfish, a dweller in the deep sea, uses a glowing lure to attract unsuspecting prey right into its monstrous jaws. This light can also serve as a defense mechanism. When threatened, some species of squid eject a cloud of bioluminescent ink, creating a dazzling smokescreen that confuses predators and allows the squid to escape. On land, fireflies use their glowing abdomen to attract mates. This bioluminescent courtship is a spectacle of nature that leaves us in awe. In the pitch-dark caves, glowworms hang sticky, glowing threads from the ceiling to trap and feed on insects lured by their light. It's fascinating, isn't it? How these organisms have harnessed the power of light for survival, for communication, for attraction, in an otherwise dark and silent world. A delicate dance of chemistry and biology playing out in the darkness, lighting up our natural world in ways that continue to amaze and inspire us. The science behind bioluminescence is as intriguing as the spectacle itself, wouldn't you agree? The deepest parts of our oceans are filled with bioluminescent marvels. One of the most prevalent uses of bioluminescence in nature is found beneath the waves, where a multitude of marine species use this fascinating ability to their advantage. The ocean depths, far from the reach of the sun's rays, are home to creatures that have harnessed the power of light, from the microscopic plankton to the enormous squid. Consider plankton, the tiny drifters of the sea. These minute organisms produce a soft, gentle glow that can transform the ocean surface into a starry night sky, a phenomenon known as sea sparkle. This bioluminescent display is not merely for show, it's a survival tactic, a spectacular confusion to deter predators. In contrast, we have the colossal squid, a creature of legend and fear. In the pitch-black depths, this giant uses bioluminescence in a much more active way. Its arms and tentacles are studded with photophores, light-producing organs that the squid can flash to stun prey or ward off potential threats. And let's not forget the anglerfish, a creature so bizarre it seems to have sprung from a nightmare. Using a glowing lure dangling from its head, it draws in curious, unsuspecting prey, demonstrating how bioluminescence can be used as a deceptive tool. In the inky darkness of the deep sea, bioluminescence is not just beautiful, it's essential. The oceans aren't the only places where nature's light show takes place. On terra firma, a different set of luminous characters emerge, turning the terrestrial canvas into a spectacle of lights. Fireflies, glowworms, and even certain types of fungi, they all contribute to this enchanting display. Let's start with fireflies, perhaps the most familiar of the lot. On warm summer nights, these tiny creatures transform the landscape into a twinkling wonderland. Each flicker is a secret code, a language of light used for communication and courtship. Males flash their lights in specific patterns to attract females, turning the dark into a dance floor of bioluminescent singles. Glowworms, on the other hand, use their light in a more predatory manner. Found in dark, damp places, these tiny larvae emit a soft blue-green light to lure in unsuspecting prey. The light, produced by a chemical reaction within their bodies, acts as a deadly beacon in the darkness. And it's not just the animals. Even some fungi, like the ghost fungus, emit a soft, eerie glow. This bioluminescent fungus, found predominantly in Australia, uses its light to attract insects, aiding in the dispersion of its spores. From the dance of fireflies to the deadly allure of glowworms and the ghostly glow of fungi, the terrestrial world is as lit up with life as the depths of the ocean. Even on land, the glow of bioluminescence is a sight to behold. Bioluminescence is truly one of nature's most fascinating spectacles. It's a phenomenon that weaves a tapestry of light in the deepest oceans and the densest forests, bringing a sense of magic to our world. We've journeyed through this radiant realm, exploring the dazzling diversity of organisms that possess the power to glow. From the ethereal dance of the firefly, to the luminescent lure of the anglerfish, and the twinkling spectacle of a bioluminescent bay, each is a testament to the marvels of evolution. The science behind bioluminescence is equally captivating. It's a complex chemical reaction where light is produced and emitted by a living organism. This natural wonder serves a variety of purposes: communication, attracting mates, hunting prey, or even self-defense. Every glowing creature, every shimmering spectacle illuminates the intricate, interconnected dance of life on Earth. So next time you see a glow in the darkness, remember the amazing science that makes it possible.